Man gang, we back with another video. So we're going on a nice cruise today to Buffalo from Rochester. My boy just got a brand new Daytona Charger and yellow jacket. Is fire, son. That's one of my favorite colors is yellow jacket. I wish I could have got my Hellcat in yellow jacket, but they discontinued that color. So pretty much we're gonna meet up at a spot and we all gonna drive in. I think I got a Stinger coming, a Daytona Charger coming, a Scat Pack Go Mango Scat Pack coming, Track Hawk, and I got a couple other cars. So let's get over there. Let's head over to this meet real quick so we can drive down in Buffalo, y'all. Ooh, that good old cold start be sounding crazy. I gotta get my car washed. My car type dirty, yo. I'm not even gonna lie. It's so hard keeping this car clean with them wide tires, man. It's so hard. As soon as you wash it, all the water from the street, from the tires, just fly right back onto the door. So it's like impossible to keep this car clean, bro. But I'm gonna let the car warm up real quick and we're gonna head over to the meetup spot before we head over to Buffalo. Ooh, that thing is sexy. Ooh, okay, big bro. Damn, that joint clean as fuck. Ooh, ooh. That shit fire. Ooh, that shit tough. Oh my God. Hey, gang. Oh, they rolling deep. Who shit is that? Ooh, they getting crazy. Yo, that yellow and the orange look so good together, bruh.
You see the rock chips along the paint? I
That motherfucker look crazy. This shit hard too. Ooh. That bitch sounded crazy too. Damn, that's your man's?
Oh no.
Oh, he said nah, it ain't. Y'all know him? Yo, that shit looks so good next to each other, bruh.
That's what I was about to say.
Yo. I'm about to get some pictures of y'all real quick. Oh, wait, them boys pulled up crazy though. Ooh, they looking crazy. I'm about to give me a wash. That's how we looking. We mad dirty right now, so I just need to get a quick wash and then we gonna head out. So we got the whole game. We got the Track Hawk, got the Daytona 392 my boy just got. Then my boy George with his orange Go Mango Charger. Everybody doing their thing, man. That's what I like to see. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. We got a half a tank of gas. I know these niggas about to be acting dumb. So we gonna find out if we can make it all the way. This a crazy lineup right here though, these colors. We literally got every color in the color palette right now. Other than the green, that's all we missing is that green. Oh, there go my boy in his Mustang. Yup, there we go. That's one more car. Go. Yeah, good blocking traffic. I'm talking about. Oh my God, the back pops is crazy. Yo. Oh man, listen, we didn't even get on the expressway and these boys acting dumb. Big dumb. I might have to put my GoPro on y'all because my battery dying already. Yeah, that's what I like to see. That's what I'm talking about. So we got a yellow Daytona Charger. We got a Go Mango Scat Pack. Obviously we got the Hellraiser Hellcat, and then we got a, I don't even know what color that is that he got. It's like a navy blue Track Hawk behind us. And then we got a Mustang behind us as well. So we're rolling kind of deep today. About 5 cars, nothing too crazy. Sun killing me, I can't see nothing. waiting to see. This Trackhawk is so tough. So I gotta get me a Trackhawk, bro. Oh, okay, him and my son George about to get a pull. Boy is pushing it. I respect it. Ooh. I gotta remember, I'm doing all this on snow tires too, so I gotta be a little more careful than the rest of them because they all got the all-season tires on. Car's still doing pretty good with the Blizzax though. God damn, that shit loud. This is what I like to see though, man. Well, I need the Mustang to catch up though. Okay. Come on, Brody. That was a good pull. Great pull. Shit crazy. We had to wait for the Mustang to get gas real quick. Mustang had to get gas. All right, so we on the shoulder right now. The Mustang had to get some gas, so we waiting for him to pull back up and then we gonna finish. I think we only 10 minutes away, but it's already 6:22 and it's super dark right now, so I'm gonna see how much more footage I can get, and then I'll let y'all know once we get there. Oh, this must be it. Oh, we 4 minutes away, okay. Crazy. Oh my god, yo, these cars sound so good, bro. I'm gonna try to get the Trackhawk and the other car coming down. My god, bro. That shit sounds stupid. Boys pulling out now. Oh my, I gotta give me a Trackhawk, bro. That joint sound crazy. I'm probably so surprised because I never really heard my car coming down the street, so I really can't hear the supercharger like that. But when I tell y'all that supercharger sounds ridiculous coming down the street. trust these niggas. They got bright ass cars. Oh, there they go. Oh yeah, you gotta get your mids cut off immediately. Immediately. You gotta get them things cut off immediately. I came over here because I needed gas, plus I wanted everybody car in the light. Ooh, this thing is crazy. I swear I wanted mine in yellow so bad, bro. So bad. God damn, this shit looks so good at night, bro. My God. And you know what I'm saying? You know we got Hellcat, so I love the difference in the sparkle, bro. Like look at here, look at the tones. And then look at there. So many different tones on this car, bro. I love this shit. But if I could get if I could have got this in yellow, I would have definitely took the yellow all day. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is my boy George shit right here. He got the Scat Pack. My guy's Mustang over here. Everybody got some crazy fly whips. And then we got the track hawk right here in the back. What's up, fellas? How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing? Thank you for coming out. Thank you for coming out. What's up, bro? So every time it don't work. Every time you floor it just
like it'll like bog. It'll
right, because you need to shift.
And you have to be quick. You can set up like where you want to shift at, where the RPMs. You can manually set that up.
Yeah.
But we've never like really felt the need to do it.
That's weird. I would have thought it would have automatically shifted for you.
Oh no.
That's so weird.
If you want to come.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out real quick. Look at the cars. What you mean why I'm calling you? I'm your daddy. That's why I'm calling you.
I don't like that.
You don't like the yellow one? You don't like the yellow? Oh, he hung up on me. Damn. My son just hung up on me while I was on the phone with him. Apparently he don't like the cars all of a sudden because he want to play on his iPad. But this the lineup again, man. We about to go in this restaurant and get some food real quick. This yellow, bro. There's something about this yellow. We're gonna get a full review on this too, so don't worry about that, y'all. Boy George shit, and then my homie over here with the track hawk. We're gonna get a full review on these cars soon, so don't even worry about it. But I'm gonna take a couple pictures and we're gonna go up in this restaurant real quick, get some food. That's a good ass time though, fellas. Good ass time. All right, man, you drive safe, bro. You drive safe. I'm gonna let him get his stuff out of my car. Y'all be easy, man. Be safe. Everybody be safe, man. Oh, you letting the real driver drive back. Okay. All right, brother. You be safe, man.
Yeah, thanks for the
safe.
ride.
No problem, man. Oh, my God. All right, so that's it, man. Everybody grab some food. We all heading back to the town right now. Probably gonna take me about an hour to get back. I'm gonna probably get there in the fast as I could though. But this was dope, man. This is fun as hell. I hope we do more. I hope they do more of this. We definitely gonna do more of it when it come time in the spring, summertime. Hopefully I enjoyed that video, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Stay tuned, because I got 2 reviews with 2 of them cars that y'all just seen tonight. And a couple videos coming up. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. I'm gonna see y'all next video, man. Peace. Hey yo, everybody that just did that for me, man, I appreciate y'all. That shit was dope as hell. I'm gonna try to catch up to them now, but this is the end of this video again. All right, y'all, I'm out. Peace.